Fynn the Fox and the Sky Seeds. Deep in the heart of the misty wood lived a clever young fox named Fynn. He wasn't the biggest or the strongest, but he was the fastest and the most curious. One morning, as the forest woke up, something strange happened. The sky shimmered with blue and gold light. From the clouds above, tiny glowing seeds floated down like snow. Fynn blinked. What are those? All the animals came out to look. Birds chirped nervously. Deer sniffed the glowing seeds, but no one touched them. I'm going to find out where they came from, Fynn declared. You'll get lost, warned an old owl. You'll fall off a cloud, giggled a squirrel. But Fynn only grinned. Then I'll find my way back. So with a satchel of berries and a brave heart, he began his journey. He first met Toppa the toad, who lived in the foggy swamp. I saw the seeds, Toppa croaked. They came from the tallest hill, the one that touches the clouds. Fynn thanked him and raced off, dodging roots and leaping logs. At the edge of the forest, he met Nara the goat, standing on a cliff. The seeds flew right over this hill, she said, but no one climbs Cloud Peak anymore. It's dangerous. Fynn looked up. The hill was steep, with sharp rocks and swirling winds at the top. He took a deep breath. I'll be careful. Step by step, he climbed. The air grew colder. His paws slipped, but he didn't give up. Finally, he reached the top and gasped. Above him floated a hidden garden in the sky, resting on a giant leaf cloud. It shimmered with light. Sky flowers danced in the air. A soft wind carried more glowing seeds down into the forest. Whoa! Fynn whispered. Just then, a voice called, "Who's there?" Out flew a tiny creature with butterfly wings and a raccoon's face. I'm Mira, she said, surprised. No forest animal ever finds this place. Fynn wagged his tail. I had to know where the seeds came from. Mira smiled. The sky seeds are gifts. When they fall, they grow into trees of hope. Hope? Yes, each tree grows where it's most needed, near sadness, fear, or loneliness. You followed them because your heart is full of curiosity and courage. That's rare. Mira gave Fynn a glowing seed. Plant this wherever your forest needs it most. Fynn returned home a hero. He planted the seed in the center of the forest. Months later, a great glowing tree stood there, a place where animals gathered to play, rest, and share stories. Fynn's journey had brought more than answers, it brought the forest together. Life lesson from the story. Curiosity and courage can lead to discoveries that help not just yourself, but your whole community. Even the smallest animals can do big things when they explore with a kind and brave heart.